From the Rockies to the Great Lakes, a spring blizzard is now rocking several heartland states. For a look across the country, we send it now to our ABC correspondent, Stephanie Ramos.
This morning, a major spring storm bringing a temperature shock to millions of Americans.
Just kind of a pain in the butt storm.
Overnight, blizzard conditions and frigid air hitting the Rockies, where record highs in the 80s quickly plunged to 40 degrees. Colorado's governor has even activated the National Guard in case drivers get stranded. More than 18 inches of snow has already fallen in parts of South Dakota. Some areas could see 30 inches. In Minnesota, near whiteout conditions south of Minneapolis, where part of this highway was closed after a number of crashes. In other parts of the country, it's severe flooding and wind causing problems. This dustnado blowing in Pueblo, Colorado. The storm lifting a large swirl of dust into the air, making it look like a tornado. And a blowing dust warning issued near Lubbock, Texas, as winds gusted up to 70 miles per hour, causing chaos on the roads. At least 6 cars crashing on Interstate 27. And in the Pacific Northwest, flooding in Idaho leading to a state of emergency. And near Eugene, Oregon, the water is so deep a boat was able to glide across this highway. Stephanie Ramos, ABC News, New York.